All, welcome back to DiaBeautyBlossoms. I hope you all are doing great. So today I'm here with the FabBag for the month of April. I really like this pouch very nicely. It's so nice. It's a good fabric, and this is how it is. It has all the flowers and pattern here. I think they have another color also which you might get, but this is how it is. And the inner quality is as usual as other FabBags, but out of all I really like this one because you can put some essentials and put it in your bag and you can carry it, so it's really nice. So yes, let's just see what all we have. I have all the contents inside this. We have two cards. The first one, it says about the details of what all contents we have in this month's edition is the spring kissed edition, and then we have another one about how to participate in the FabBag contest, which we get it every month. And these are the contents. Let us see one by one. Star product of this month is this Mana Kadar's lip locked priming lipstick, and they have had given two options, like you can select the lip wand or the lipstick. I've selected the lipstick, and in shade Serenity it is the color. Let me open it. I've opened the outer label. So this is how the shade is. It's really nice, like plummy pink color, the light one, which I can wear day-to-day basis. And this is the Star product, and this one is retailed at 1799 rupees. That's almost like 1800 rupees. So that's our first product. And the next thing we have is from Nirvana. This is crafted naturally. This is a pure aloe vera lemon gel, and it has pure aloe vera gel, purified water, lemon extract, essential oil, and permitted colors. This is of 50 rupees and manufactured recently in January 2018. Good addition because it's summers and you need gels which can soothe your skin, calm down your skin when you feel it's irritated. So I think it's a really useful thing, so useful product. So that's our second product, and this is how it looks. I don't want to open and put my fingers in it, otherwise the shelf life reduces. So we have is this Bio Gold Collagen eye mask from Monsub. I think you can get a nose or lip mask also. They have different variants. One I have got is this eye mask, and that's really useful because in summers I really feel my eyes are hot, it needs relaxing. So I think this is a nice addition to this as well. So this is retail at 200 rupees, and this is how it looks. And the last product I see is from Blissant, and this is Blissant lip scrub. This is in variant raspberry. This is how it looks. This is the lip scrub. I actually like raspberry lip balm from Blissant. I've already used one tub of it. I really like it, so I'm excited to try this one as well. So this one is in raspberry variant, and you can see all the details backside. It has beeswax, jojoba oil, shea butter, sugar, and skin safe flavor oil. This is of 200 rupees, and this is 10 grams, and you have to best before August 2018. So yeah, we have like 4-5 months to finish this one. So that's our last product. This is all I have got in this month's FabBag. I think the products are very less, like only just 4 products. Calculate the cost of this contents. We have got products worth of 2250 rupees, but I think they could have included one more product because the main product is this one, which is 1800, and apart from that we got like a gel, a lip scrub, and eye mask. And I think they could have added one more product because FabBag always does really good bags, but I think they should have added one more product. That's what I feel. If you want to buy Mana Kadar lipstick, then it's good to go with this bag. Otherwise I feel it's not that great this month, but overall it's an okayish bag for me. So yes, this is all I have got in my FabBag, and I hope you like this video. If you like this video, don't forget to hit that like button, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel if you're not part of the fam. Thanks all. Take care. Bye bye.